We have been manufacturing Magic Nano sponges for 14 years, and we often hear new customers say the sponges they bought before are very easy to break. It's because there are indeed many counterfeit products on the market. Today, from a production perspective, let's talk about how to distinguish the authenticity of nano sponges. In terms of material, the true nano sponge we produce uses melamine resin foam, and its surface feels fine and firm to the touch. However, some counterfeits use ordinary polyurethane foam, which feels loose and even has tiny holes on the surface. When rubbed slightly, small particles will fall off. This is actually due to the wrong selection of raw materials. A genuine nano sponge, when pinched like this by hand, can clearly feel its toughness. Once you let go, it will rebound immediately and will not deform even after being pinched many times. However, the counterfeit products will shrivel when squeezed and break easily when torn. This is because the foaming process of inferior nano sponges does not meet the standards. The genuine nano sponge we make can solve most daily cleaning problems, such as dust, water stains, and oil stains, etc. Just wipe it clean. When encountering stubborn stains, such as grease from the range hood and plaster marks on the floor, using it in combination with a cleaner can achieve a better cleaning effect, and will not leave scratches on the surface of the items. However, the quality of counterfeits is not guaranteed. It may not be able to clean the stains thoroughly and may scratch the surface of the object when wiped hard. In fact, when choosing nano sponge, just keep these 3 points in mind. It feels firm and not rough, it bounces back quickly when pressed, and it doesn't scratch things when rubbed. We also send samples to customers on a regular basis, hoping that everyone can see the differences directly. After all, product quality is the most important thing. If you want to purchase nano cleaning sponges online, we also have some tips to share with you to help you choose a cost-effective nano sponge. If you have any other questions, you can also leave a message in the comment section and we will answer them for you.